Is this a luxury listening experience at its finest? These are the AirPods Max. Stick around and find out. First off, the design. It's simply a masterpiece. We're talking premium aluminum here, paired with plush cloth ear cups. They don't just look fantastic, they feel like a dream, offering both comfort and durability. Now, let's talk sound quality. I'm giving it a solid 10 out of 10. Why? Because the highs are crisp, the lows are profoundly realistic, and voices, they sound so natural, it's like the person is right there with you. And if you're an Apple user, it gets even better. Spatial audio. It's not just listening, it's as immersive as it can get. The noise canceling is top tier. It's like being in your own secluded sound oasis. But hey, need to tune back into the real world? Transparency mode has you covered, making you forget you're even wearing headphones. Alright, battery life. It's not the star of the show, but it still shines pretty bright. Apple promises 20 hours, and they deliver. I feel like that's because these headphones actually don't have a power button, which is kind of interesting, but they pretty much just go into a sleep mode. In a way, it's pretty cool since when you take them out of the case and put them on, they pair up to your device and they're just ready to go instantly. The price? Yeah, it's a steep $549, but keep your eyes peeled for deals. I've spotted them for as low as $400. And honestly, for the quality you're getting, it's a steal. And to be honest, at either price, you can't go wrong if you're looking for an outstanding listening experience. These are definitely my go-to when I want to listen to some music or get some video editing done. Got questions? Drop them in the comments if I missed anything. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, keep listening in style.